Starring Entertainment.
Sobrang, like what Haya said, sobrang pressure po yung sa amin to kasi this is the biggest project that we're doing, and pressure is good because it means na mahalaga yung project po sa amin, and we just want to do our best kahit masustain lang namin yung first and second book as long as magustuhan ng fans at ma-appreciate po yung binigay namin na work. Okay na po sa amin.
Thank you and congratulations everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, pakinggan natin ang mga katanungan ni Erwin Ogawa from Anong Ganap.
Congrats guys sa new series. Kay Direk. Ano pong kaibahan itong series na to or project na to from your previous projects?
Actually, ito yung first ko na romantic comedy talaga. Pero as I said kanina, ito nga yung series na hindi lang magpapakilig, magpapaiyak din siya, maglahat na emosyon, which I have done previously sa mga projects ko. Ayun, yung mga previous projects ko kasi it's more very family-centered. Pero with this kasi, andun yung love angle, andun yung romance, pero matindi yung core nung book na to kasi naka-angkla siya sa family nung dalawang main character. So, ayun, so madali siya for me. Mahirap lang kasi mabigat. Mas iba yung topic, iba yung kumbaga yung pinagdaanan ng characters dito kasi sobrang bigat ng mga pagdadaanan nila. Pagdadaanan pa lang kasi hindi pa namin nakunan. So, ayun, yun yung challenge. Pero, ayun, it's something new. Kaya na-excited din akong gawin siya coming from my previous project.
Thank you, Drake. Miss Gway naman. How are you going to compare your feeling yung sa nilaunch yung Rain in España, Safe Skies, kada series, anong feeling ang nakakuha mo?
It's the same feeling all over again, the pressure that I mentioned earlier. And also excitement, syempre. Kasi I would have to work again with new mga bida, and we will have to create their character again. So for me, very, very exciting because I'm always excited to see kung paano magta-translate yung book into something na mapapanood mo on screen. So I'm really excited to see kapag pinapanood ko sila, I would be so happy na parang, ganito pala kapag inact na siya, ganito pala yung feeling. So I'm really, really excited. Pero the pressure comes with it din. Kasi, we will have different reactions from this. But, as long as we are all working hard, we know that we are working hard for this, I'm sure this will all be worth it.
And bakit daw Chasing in the Wild?
Ito mag-mention ng universe. Okay. Kasi po, it was originally yung Yellow and Green School. So, Tigers and Archer. So, Chasing Archer and Wild Tiger. So,
Yes na. Okay. Thank you. Good luck sa new series.
thank you po.
Thank you very much. Moving on po, from Abandoning, we have Ray Pumaloy.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Hi, Bea. Tapos yung question ko for Wilbert and Gab, it's nice to see you cross already from sexy to wholesome. Ibig sabihin nito ay, wait lang ha. Ibig bang sabihin nito ay hindi na kayo magbibiba max?
For now naman po, the management talked about this na we should focus on university series, pero of course we're not closing the door to do movies like that. Pero as of now, we want to focus on being savvy and him for being arcane.
Hindi ka kaya walang sexy dito, no? Dahil wholesome?
Yes, wholesome naman dito.
Okay. Wilbert. Si Wilbert ako yung pinakamarami kasing sexy.
Sana po.
Actually, sa matagal na po ito, mga sobrang magto 2 years na po ata na, 1 year pala na management po mismo yung nag-decide for me na to stop na Viva Max and then mag-focus sa wholesome. Yun lang.
Relief ba ito para sa'yo? Relief ba ito para sa'yo?
Medyo. Kasi merong bigat, hindi po kasi talaga madali to do things like sex scenes and lalo parang wholesome naman ako sa totoong buhay. Hindi po siya madali talaga. Nakakapagod po siya sa katawan, sa utak. So, dito po sa mga wholesome na po na project. So, medyo mas magaan na po siguro in terms sa work na ginagawa. Ayun.
Thank you. Pabonus naman, Peeps, kay Gab. Kasi parang laki ng braso mong Gab dyan. Too good to be true. Pwede mo pakita in person kung talagang braso mo. Yes naman. Sa totoo lang, parang laki-laki. Hindi ba enhance yan?
Kakatapos ko pa lang bumag-gym doon actually.
Okay. So hindi yan. Take it off. Take it off. Pakita mo Gab para sa fans.
Sige, sa amin na lang po, sa movie na lang, para sa show na lang po, para may abangan na nag-busy.
Sus!
Okay. Good answer, Gab. Okay po, maraming salamat, Sir Ray. Okay.
Proof daw, sabi ng mga press, ayaw pumayag. Braso lang ang gano'n. Papag-flex. Mamalaki nga. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay,
Marga naman, balot na si Marga naman.
Okay.
Balot na balot nga ako ngayon.
Marco, ikaw naman daw, sabi ng mga fans. Pang fans lang.
Wala ako sa kondisyon,
Okay, thank you so much, Marco. Moving on po tayo kay Nurse Almo from GMA Entertainment. Also, gentle reminder lang po, Viva One po sana ang focus ng questions. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Hello, good afternoon. This is for Miss Guay. Can I get your reaction lang doon sa mga love teams, kahit yung mga nauna na? Anong masasabi mo doon sa, nag-translate nga ba yung nasa imagination mo while writing? Nag-translate nga ba yung imagination mo while writing the books doon sa mga love teams?
Sa mga past po, or yung pati yung ngayon. Yes, actually, I was very happy with how Larry and Spanish Six Guys Arch turned out. So I'm really looking forward pa for Chasing the Wild. But I was there during the look test. So, pinili talaga namin itong si Haya at si Gab kasi I really see them as Sunny and Elise. From how they, like, the basketball, si Gab in real life, and then si Haya, the way she talks, and really parang in character. So, I can really see them as their characters, especially kahit naman in the first place, hindi mo masyadong ma-feel yan kapag road test. Kapag nakita mo na talaga yung result, yung episode, you will feel, especially yung for the first book, yung breakup scene ni Talix and Luna, yun talaga yung feel na feel ko. And then for the second book, hindi ko parang bakit laging breakup scene. Kapag breakup scene, saka ako nakikita talaga na sobrang in character nila. So I'm really excited for their 5th anniversary. So siguro doon ko masasabi talaga na they really fit the role, and they bagay talaga sa kanila yung bagay talaga sa kanila yung role na binibigay para sa kanila.
Second